Hi, this is Bob from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. And if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and that bell button for notifications for all our newest upcoming videos. Today, I'll be going through what happens when a rugged Toughbook challenges a car fire. So stay tuned. Hi guys. Today, like promised, I'm going to talk to you about what happens to a Panasonic Toughbook when it's in a fire. This particular laptop, if you want to still call it a laptop, used to be a CF53 and it used to look like this. It was in a car fire where the entire vehicle burned to a crisp. By the time they got to it, this was all that was left of the laptop, and the police department that sent it to me sent me all the pieces they could find for this laptop. And right here is just the keyboard. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the crunching sound of what's going on with this keyboard. I think all the keys just got all melted up into this little lump right here, and that's the keyboard. This here is the hinge. The hinge that would have been right here, it just burned clean off of the piece. And then here is the bottom memory cover that it looks like something melted all over the bottom of this thing. And then this is the hard drive. I mean, it just fused all together. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like here where the connector was, for the SATA connector, it's all melted into it. We didn't take this apart to see what's on the inside, but I'm sure it's blackened on the inside as well to a nice solid black piece of carbon. This is the base of the laptop, and you can see certain parts here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this used to be the circuit board that's now just a black hunk of black. I don't know what to call it, but you can hear the crunching noises whenever I bend it. On the bottom you can see where the memory used to go. This would have been where the memory went, and maybe the Gobi card would be in here. This would be the wireless card that is still actually in the unit. You can see the wires that are still kind of attached to it. Here's the wires. Look at that. That's just amazing. It even has some of the plastic still on there. And then over here is like circuit board. So this would have been where the memory went, and then this is where the CD-ROM was. If you can look right here, here's the CD-ROM that's still in the slot. Of course, all the plastic pieces are melted off. This is, oh, there you go, I broke it. What do you know? Whatever that is. And what I always found interesting is, oh, here's the heat sink from the processor. So this must be the processor over here, and the heat sink is in here. You can see where it's actually warped. I guess the fire was that hot. If you crunch it, I just love to do this because you can hear it crunching. But anyways, oh, look at the mess I made. Anyways, so that's what happens to a CF53 when it's in a car fire. I hope you guys enjoyed this today. I certainly enjoy looking at these things and talking about them. Leave your comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you've had any fire experience with any kind of laptop, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Other than that, I'll see you guys next week.